If your workout shelf is already crowded with almost right gear, here's the best resistance band setup, 4 main picks for different home routines. Quick answer, Bodylastics is the organized tube set, Living Fit is the superband set, Synergee is the mini band pick, and resistance band training is the hybrid kit. No band setup does everything. Pick for format, space, resistance range, and daily feel. For most handle and anchor workouts, I'd start with the Bodylastics Stackable Tube Resistance Bands. Buy it if you want rows, presses, pulls, and ankle strap work to feel more like a tidy cable setup than a random pile of tubes. The big win is control, handles, clips, and the anchor make the routine feel planned. The catch is hardware. Those large rings can rub or crowd certain moves, and the ankle straps may not cinch neatly on smaller ankles. Skip it if visible door anchor wear or bulky connections will bug you. If you prefer long loops, go Living Fit resistance bands. These make sense for pull-up assistance, mobility work, warm-ups, and full-body band training without handles dictating every move. The useful part is the range. You can start light, then move into serious resistance without changing formats. But this isn't the easiest beginner box. A door anchor isn't included, the long-term track record is less settled than older staples, and the heaviest bands can be overkill. Skip it if you want handles ready immediately. For warm-ups, travel, and lower body activation, the Synergee Mini Loop Bands are the compact pick. Buy them if you want a simple set that's easy to sort, easy to pack, and less fussy than flimsy little loops that roll up mid-move. They're best for short-range work, not pretending to replace a full home gym. The trade-off is sizing and labeling. The bands don't show exact resistance numbers, and shorter users may find some exercises feel loose. Skip them if standard mini bands already feel too roomy. For a fuller setup in one box, choose the Resistance Band Training Economy Fitness Package. It's for committed band users who want loop band versatility, plus handles and an anchor for more exercise options. That combo saves you from piecing together a system later. Just know it asks for more room. The anchor adds length, thicker bands can feel awkward overhead, and the kit only includes one mini band. It may also have a noticeable rubber smell. Skip it if you want the simplest starter set or mostly mini band variety. Quick split. Want the most organized tube setup, Bodylastics. Want long loops for pull-up help and mobility, Living Fit. Want travel-size warm-up bands, Synergee. Want loops, handles, and an anchor together, Resistance Band Training. Before you buy, check your workout space, door setup, and preferred exercises. Handles feel better for cable-style moves. Loops are cleaner for mobility and pull-up help. Mini bands are great until sizing feels wrong. If you're unsure, start with Bodylastics because it's the cleanest tube setup for most home workouts. Go Living Fit if long loops matter more, Synergee if you need compact warm-up bands, or Resistance Band Training if you want the fuller kit. Links are in the description. Shelf care. The edit your shelf actually needs. Subscribe for the next routine.